Hi everyone, today we're going to be opening up two booster packs, Star Pack Battle Royal and Spirit Warriors. We're going to open this up really quickly, so this will be less than a minute. Let's get started with the Star Pack first. No idea what this is. DDD Duodon King Kali Yuga. And Mosen. I cannot read this for the life of me. Alright, next one. Spirit Warriors. Alright, so of course this comes with 5 holo cards. Let's see what we get. The 6 Shinobi. Back to the Wall. Shien's Advisor. Legendary 6 Samurai Kaigeki. And Secret 6 Samurai Rien. Huh. It's really hard doing opening videos. I don't know if to focus on the camera or to focus on the card. I wonder if this is... You know, the thing is, too, I haven't played Yu-Gi-Oh! In so long. I'm mostly just collecting everything. Everything does have value to me, even the crappy cards, which I know are these. But hope you guys stick around. Check out my channel. Watch me open some more packs. I mean, of course, I know this guy's on the front cover of the booster pack. I mean... I'm just really bad with the rarities. This is Ultra Secret. I'll get the hang of it eventually.